This is not the time to consider a harsher lockdown, rather focus on vaccinations. That's the view of KwaZulu-Natal's business sector and some health experts. The province is facing increasing COVID-19 infections and has officially entered the fourth wave, with eThekwini regarded as the epicentre. Health experts say they're worried about the low vaccination rate in the province, especially in light of the Omicron variant. Siphamandla Goge reports.
It is with a deep sense of concern that we confirm that our province has now officially entered the fourth wave of COVID-19 infections. In the past 3 weeks, our province has observed a significant climb.
This announcement by the KwaZulu-Natal Premier Zikalala signaling that the province has officially entered the fourth wave. Health experts are worried about the province's dynamics and how it will cope with the highly transmissible Omicron variant.
Unlike Gauteng, they had the Delta wave where they saw a large number of cases, which means that a lot of people developed immunity from infection. In KwaZulu-Natal, we had a small wave from Delta. So it means that a lot of people might be susceptible to infection. And vaccination is really low in KwaZulu-Natal. So yeah, I'm worried about KZN. In fact, I'm more worried about KZN than I am about Gauteng.
But what's to be done?
We may have to consider, for example, looking at differentiated model where one province approaches the pandemic with a different set of restrictions, depending on their risk, and another province approaches with another set of restrictions. And if we approach it that way, then we can reduce the pressure on the National Coronavirus Command Council to make a national decision, but actually begin to go with region-specific risks that we can then adapt restrictions for.
The business sector says the impact of the fourth wave is already being felt.
As businesses, we're already seeing that. There's high levels of absenteeism because of the high level of infections. And so, yeah, it's extremely worrying. If we look back over the last 18 months, we've been through the first wave, the second wave, the third wave. We had the event of the civil unrest in July, and now we are right in the middle of a fourth wave at the time of year when the province is the playground for people to enjoy their Christmas vacations. So it's extremely worrying if we look across all sectors of our economy in the province, not just the manufacturing sector, but the big tourism sector. It's a big concern for the Chamber and our membership.
Nigel says the country can't afford another hard lockdown and tighter restrictions. The economy won't survive.
It's at a very tricky time of year. A lot of the manufacturing sector closed for their Christmas shut or annual holidays. But we know the province booms during December. People come to enjoy our beaches, our game parks, and the Drakensberg and other areas that we have to offer. And if that money is not coming into the economy because of the lockdown, it's going to be a really, really tough first quarter of 2022, and it's not going to give us the momentum we're looking for. So we really urge the presidency to consider the possibilities of the lockdown and it'll do to the economy, and really let's put our effort behind getting people vaccinated.
For now, the outcome of the National Coronavirus Command Council meeting is eagerly awaited, and President Cyril Ramaphosa possibly addressing the nation again. Siphamandla Goge, Durban.